We now have our product in the package. It's been cased and put into our refrigerated cooler. Cooler is absolutely essential to maintain temperature for quality and extended shelf life. As you can see, we have a digital readout of what the temperature is in the cooler, but we also have a 7-day chart recorder that allows us to maintain a legal document of record for those temperatures. Now let's go inside. All right, now we're in the refrigerated cooler to show the location of our probe for the chart recorder. It is elevated close to the door, providing an area that's the warmest location in our cooler.